Alrighty, here we have an interesting Globe Master #2, made in Hong Kong. The thing that's interesting about it is the keyway. It doesn't really have any wards, and this lock is strangely difficult. It's a cheap lock, and I can tell that by the tolerances, but sometimes it goes, and sometimes it just mocks me for everything it's worth. But we'll see how today goes. I'm not having the best of luck today. You know, I think that might have been a spool pin right there. We'll find out, I guess. You know, I don't know if y'all can see it, but I also just noticed, looking right at the top here, I can see through to almost, it looks like the driver pin. I wonder if that would be vulnerable to a shimming attack. But I actually don't have any shims with me, so we are forced to wonder. A minute and a half into the video, switching to the Forest Diamond. Boom! There we go. There. Okay. And ta-da!